Good evening, Abhyun.
Yes, ma'am.
Any idea about the other students?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Sorry.
Uh, I can't
What?
hear your voice like. Oh,
Okay. Now is it okay?
yeah.
Okay. So Abhyun, only you have joined. So I think we can't say start the new chapter now. In the last class, we have started the new chapter. Were you there in the last class?
Oh,
Were you
no.
there in the last class? Abhyun?
No,
No. Okay. So
ma'am, I wasn't there
in
in the
today's
last class.
class, what you want? Either do the revision of first and second chapter, or you want to do the work that we have discussed in the last class.
Ma'am, I'm done with my exam, so revision would be a waste.
Okay, so we can have the last class revision, right? That we can discuss, right?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. In the last class, we have started the chapter that is the metals and non-metals. So basically, metals or non-metals are what? If I ask you that what are metals, then what you will answer?
Uh, Brittle, malleable.
Brittle is what?
Uh, Brittle
It is
is
brittle. We
it's a
call it as brittle.
quality of
Brittle, right?
brittle. Yeah,
Yeah.
brittle. Then
That is lustrous,
was
sometimes we
conducts
say.
electricity.
Conducts electricity, that is hard, right? So basically,
Lustrous,
these are some properties by which we can see
hard.
and we can name it as
Yeah,
metals, right? So what happens is we have the periodic
yeah.
table like this. This is our periodic table, correct?
Yeah.
My screen is visible to you now?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the periodic table, we have
Yes, ma'am.
4 blocks. If we see that first and second group, basically these groups form S block. These groups. Okay. Group number 13 to 18 forms P block. ग्रुप नंबर 3 to 12 फॉर्म्स डी ब्लॉक एंड यहाँ पर ही कोई कुछ एलिमेंट्स लाई करते हैं दैट फॉर्म्स अ एफ ब्लॉक दैट इज नॉट इन योर सिलेबस इट लाई समवेयर हियर ओके so all the elements in the periodic table that lies in the s block we call them as metals okay are you getting
Is
your network is not I think there is a network problem Niharika make your video on all the elements that lie in the groups 13 to 18 we call them as non-metals clear and as we move from left to right as we move from here to here we can see that metals are converting into non-metals right so if the metals are converting into non-metals it means 3rd to 12 we can say that these are the transition elements because these are changing the properties of metals into non-metals clear is it clear please do reply so that I can get to know that whether it is clear to you or not Abhyun Niharika Abhyun and Niharika is it clear Niharika are you there in the class Niharika well in P block basically we have some these metals let me change the
yes,
color
ma'am.
of the pen Abhyun better please do reply so that I can get to know that whether it is clear or not okay in the P block now
Okay, ma'am.
we have these metals somewhere these ones These are some 6 to 7 elements are there. These elements show the properties, some properties of the metals and some of the properties of non-metals. That's why we call these elements as metalloids. Metalloids are the elements that shows the some of the properties of metal and some properties of non-metals. And these metalloids are boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, polonium and tellurium. Okay?
Ma'am, isn't carbon also a metalloid?
Which one?
Carbon and graphite.
No. But a carbon and graphite is different. Carbon is a non-metal and diamond and graphite are the allotropes of carbon. Means the forms of carbon that exist in nature.
But isn't graphite considered a metalloid because it can conduct
No, no, no,
electricity?
no, 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 no. Graphite is not an element. You can only consider metals, non-metals and metalloids in elements only. Graphite is not an
Oh,
element, na? It is a form of element.
it's an allotrope.
Yeah, it is an allotrope of carbon. There are three
Oh,
allotropes of carbon. Diamond, graphite and Buckminster fullerene. Right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So first we have metals. Metals are basically S block. Clear? So one property that the metals have is, suppose if I take the S block element that is sodium, atomic number of sodium is 11. Correct? Abhyun, do reply.
Yes, ma'am.
So its configuration will be 2, 8 and 1. What the sodium will do? It will lose one electron to attain the stable configuration, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So metals have the tendency to lose electron. If I discuss about P block, so there is an element that is chlorine in P block, just for the example. Atomic number is 17 and the configuration is 2, 8 and 7. Now chlorine either can leave 7 electrons or can accept 1 electron to attain the stable configuration. So chlorine will accept 1 electron. So we can say that metals have the tendency to lose electron and the non-metals have the tendency to accept electron. Can I say this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
That is why अगर हम S ब्लॉक में है और हम P में जा रहे हैं तो S वाले क्या कर रहे थे, लूज कर रहे थे इलेक्ट्रॉन और P वाले क्या कर रहे थे, एक्सेप्ट कर रहे थे. करेक्ट? गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अगर हम लेफ्ट टू राइट जा रहे हैं तो टेंडेंसी टू एक्सेप्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इंक्रीजिंग and tendency to donate electron
Yeah.
is decreasing.
Yes.
Clear? And the elements that
Yes, ma'am.
lose electrons we call them as electropositive and the elements that gain electron we call them as electronegative. Now thing is, what is electropositive and what is electronegative? Suppose I am having a element, suppose say you have sodium.
Ma'am, I know this.
You know that number of protons and electrons are equal if it
Yeah.
loses electrons. Yeah, so on the
It
basis of
becomes
this,
positive in charge and negative in charge,
yeah,
depending on
that's
if it.
why we call them as electropositive and electronegative.
Yeah.
Clear? Now, metals are the substances which are electropositive in nature. They have the tendency to lose electrons.
Hmm.
All metals are hard except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Clear?
Yeah.
Then we come to the physical properties of metals. Metals are having shining surface, and that property we call them as lustrous. Metals are hard. Metals have the ability to drawn into wires. So we call the property as ductility. And
Ductility.
when it is beaten into thin sheets, we can call them as malleability. Clear?
Yeah.
Good conductor of heat and electricity. Sonorous means metals produce sound.
Sound when struck. Yeah.
Yeah, because metals are hard in nature, so that's why we call them as that these have high melting and boiling point.
Hmm.
And they are heavy, so we can say that they have high density also. Clear?
Yeah.
In the last class, we have discussed only these points. So you can go through these ones. Non-metals, we will start with the when other students also join, na? Then I think it will be good,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So
Yeah.
you can go through it if you want.
I know most of this. It was covered in our class also. So.
Okay, in your school class.
Yeah,
Okay, actually these are the basics now, and we have to start with the basics in when we have to start a new chapter.
yeah.
So that's the thing.
This was there in our seventh grade chapter,
Which
I
one?
believe. The same topic, metals and non-metals.
Huh?
The same physical properties and periodic table. All of these things were in our seventh grade syllabus also.
Seventh grade.
Yeah, in a more
Okay.
basic manner, but it was there.
Okay, okay, okay. But you are in 10th grade right now, na?
Yeah,
So is there any upgradation in this?
so far no.
Okay. Means in 7th grade and 10th grade both are same.
The introduction part at least. The,
Okay.
co- the entire
Actually, the
chapter cover
different
only
part
this.
is that you will learn about the chemical properties over here in 10th class. In
Hmm.
maybe in the 7th grade it is only about the physical properties,
Yeah.
and in 10th class it is upgraded to chemical properties, because at that time in the 7th grade you don't know that what's a chemical reaction.
Uh, and ma'am, when will we start like electron dot structures?
Electron dot structure means writing the chemical formulas.
Yeah.
It will take time. I think 2 to 3 more classes.
Okay.
Lewis dot structure you want?
Same thing.
Yeah, electron dot structure. That I can explain you if you want.
I I
You
just
know this
like
thing?
I just like loose the structures. So
All right. Okay, then write the formula of magnesium chloride. What will be the formula for magnesium chloride?
MgCl,
Incorrect.
magnesium chloride.
Avin, don't be overconfident. How do you write the formula?
It's MgCl. It,
I have said about magnesium chloride. Do you know about the cross multiplication?
yeah.
Okay, then write the formula of magnesium chloride.
Ma'am, can I type?
Yeah,
Ma'am, MgCl.
yeah. Now, Abhyun, try that how MgCl2 comes. Have you tried? Abhyun, have you tried? See, magnesium. The atomic number of magnesium is what? Magnesium atomic number
12.
12. So its configuration will be 2, 8 and 2. The magnesium will lose 2 electrons. It will form Mg2 positive. Means the valency of magnesium will be plus 2. And chlorine is 17. It is, he has left. 287, it will accept 1 electron. So if we cross multiply it, we get MgCl2. In the same way you have got the formula, Pritam?
Yes.
Okay. Any other thing that you both want to do in the class? Because continuing with non-metals, I think that it is complete waste of time because we have to do it again. Anything else that you want?
Hello. Ma'am, can you
Yeah,
hear me? Okay.
Pritham, Abhyun,
No.
Abhyun, Pritham.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking that anything else that you want to do, either do the revision of first and second chapter or the physical properties of the metals or any specific topic that you want to discuss if you have your exam within next days.
Actually, exam is coming.
Over. So how much you have scored?
No, actually, I completed my exam. Day before yesterday.
Huh?
Ma'am, I have completed my exam day before yesterday. I didn't got.
Okay. And Abhyun?
Mine ended on Monday.
So I think you got your result.
No, we're getting it tomorrow. Science was the last exam.
Oh, science was the last exam. Okay. So there were only two chapters from the chemistry, first and second, or
Philosophy is 2 and 3.
huh?
From 2 and 3.
2 and 3 in your exam. Okay. And Abhyun?
We had 1, 2, and 4.
All right. So have you prepared for the third and fourth chapter? How many questions you were able to solve from chapter 1 and 2?
All.
All. Very good. Pritham, were these correct or
Yes.
Pritham, how many questions you were able to solve?
Chemistry all.
Huh?
All.
All. Okay. The result will tell because we have done a lots of revision. Well, what else you want to do in the class? Or do we end the class? Better tell me. Anything else that you want to ask? Otherwise, we will end the class. Abhyun, Pritham, do reply.
There's not really anything.
Okay.
Yes.
And Abhyun? I think
This is
that we
up.
have. Huh? This is Abhyun. And Pritham?
From nothing.
Okay. I think that we should end the class, na? Right? Okay, then you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.